And I would never send you a voice note like this.
Yeah, breaking news,
for no
breaking
reason.
news, ladies and gentlemen. You know, say, I'm Rastafari soldier, and I man there, so check out a voice note. When me see around the internet right now, a Cure, a Jah Cure, cyclical Alcott, yeah, real name. Him leak out a voice note where him boy, I know him regret right now, but we're gonna talk about it right now, you know. So let me make you hear a little piece of it.
Yeah, let me tell you a story. I'm in the middle of Amsterdam Square with some killers. I'm waiting on Papa to stab them like 60,000 times, bro, and I have the knife myself.
Yeah, no, family, you hear that? You hear that? Greetings and salutation. Yeah, to all nations. Ladies and gentlemen, you know I'm Rastafari.
Greetings. Yes, season greetings.
I'm asking you.
Hey, Roots, man. How you guys doing out there? We having a good time, man. We're right at Fort Lauderdale Beach.
You're listening to Cure. We call him in Jamaica Jah Cure. Yeah, real name is Cyclical Alcott. So I'm gonna let you hear the voice note, and then I'm going to give you my take where I stand, and I hope you overstand the stance that I'm taking. Here is Cyclical Alcott, Jah Cure, voice note that he allegedly sent to Papa. Yeah, that is the promoter, Papa Blake, them call him. So listen what Cure I said, and you pick sense out and answer.
Let me tell you a story. I'm in the middle of Amsterdam Square with some killers. I'm waiting on Papa to stab them like 60,000 times, bro, and I have the knife myself. I'm ashamed to tell you this, bro. I take off all my jewelry. I'm in the damn square with Penko, and I'm going to show Penko that he needs to put respect on his name. My brother, this is stupid what I'm telling you, but believe me to God, if Papa shows up here, you will hear the news, and someone will be here to make the video. My brother, I'm not lying when I tell you this. I'm waiting on Papa to fix him. Good. And I'm waiting if he shows, brother, you will hear the news. I make no joke. And I would never send you a voice note like this for no reason. I'm not here to make a comedy show, bro, or a movie, but I'm here to start a real fucking live show. Bro, believe me, this nigga let me work this stage and don't pay me, bro, and he's talking tough. I'm waiting on him. Bro, if he shows, you will know.
Family and friend, I want you to stick with me, and I want you to listen to I man take, because I listen to voice note multiple times, over and over right now on different channels, all over the YouTube right now, and you hear what the man I say? The man I tell the man straight up, say, listen.
Story. I'm in the middle of Amsterdam Square with some killers.
The man say, yo, me dey in the place with some killer. You are going to you could have your front yard or your backyard, me dey in the place with some killer. Listen what else the man said.
I'm waiting on Papa to stab them like 60,000 times, bro, and I have the...
And there's a bit me jump out I cheering, brother. The man I show you say, yo, man, a real bad man. Whatever you think, or whatever the world think, look here, Jenna. Me I show you say, yo, me I wait pan Papa. And the reason why me I wait pan him, me I tell you what me there right in the square in Amsterdam right now. And me have a knife myself. And what me I do, me I stab him in a blouse and skirt, and me I go stab him not even one time. Me I turn him in a strainer. Me I give him about 60,000 stab. Hey, listen, if you hear a yard man, I tell you certain things, and I leave certain message, you better take it serious. Me I go continue and evaluate Cure, because right now, me I go tell you the truth. I a Rasta man, and I'm dealing with real youth, so me I go tell you the truth on their routes. You are going to take as a free youths we are dealing with.
Knife myself. I'm ashamed to tell you this, bro. I take off all my jewelry.
The man I prepare, the man I show you say, yo, me mean it. Me mean it. And what do you, man? Me born for this. Me shame say, yo, me I'll tell you straight up right now, me I'll do you this. Because me take off all my jewelry them. Me no want lose none of my jewelry them. Me not me I take off in nice shows when me did have cause me no want scop it up cause me I tell you straight up right now me serious cross. Pan the cross, me I take off whatever pan the cross or pan the throne. The man say, oh.
I'm in the damn square with Penko, and I'm gonna show Penko that he needs to put respect on his name. My brother, this is stupid what I'm telling you, but believe me to God, if Papa shows up here, you will hear the news, and someone will be here to make the video.
Yo, listen to man voice, people. You can't hear, say the man terrible, him devilous right now, you know. Him man show you, say, yo, if the boy there will owe me my money, you are going to show up after me ask him for my money and him a send check. You are going to see if him show up, me I got dealt with him wicked.
My brother, I'm not lying when I tell you this.
Yo, the man sound cordially and nice, you know. Cure a respectable international artist, you know. So I don't know where I'll go with it, you know.
I'm waiting on Papa to fix him.
What I'm saying now though, hold on. You don't think say I kiss the man, say more kiss him? You think say I kiss?
To fix him.
Fix! When we fix things get fixed, you are gone tear. We are talk from day pros, we are talk the short. You are gone tear. Hold on the people. If you don't get it, I and I man a Rasta man. You are gone tear. So I and I man take a Rasta stand. You are going to see this happened in October, around October 1st, around them time they have 2021. That means the covert 19 are going wicked and wicked man from uptown. Wicked and wicked man from Spanish Town. Wicked. You are going to see, and I can live in good island. When having big car, a nice girl, I'm an international superstar so far. Figure work. The crowd over Amsterdam in a Netherlands, you are gonna take. And guess what? Boy want work, I cure. You know how far Jamaica is from Netherlands? From Amsterdam? 4,855 miles. A whole heap of mile that. You are gonna take. You think I look at distance that people? For me, leave my good island when me already rich. Lose all night sleep. Lose hours cause me a travel. And this ya boy ya want take Rasta fi toy. After, me want to know fi overstand. Enough time this rich yard man. The boy them put on stage show and have dance. And a go on like say no money no make. No money no run. After the selector laugh. Tra-la-la-la-la-la-la-la. After the man show you say, yo, me there in a this square with some bad men. And the lions them there round me and I know dog. And I know mouse. And I know Amsterdam because me there in Amsterdam. I saw a real alligator. A matter of fact, me have a blade myself. And me I gonna stab you 60,000 times. Yo, look here. Don't rampant Jamaican woman. Don't rampant Jamaican money. You heard me? Overstand me. No rampant me woman them. Me daughter, me granny, me mother, me woman, me baby mother them. Do not ramp with me empress them. And most of all, do not ramp with the bread when me use and hold them. You are going to people. I overstand what Jah Cure did might be looked at as evil, but me I go continue the voice note and go on spoke. You are going to, yeah, listen to I Cure, cause you know I go on like me see up on the internet and I go on like saying you want bite off Rasta man head. Yo, lucky the boy, the lucky he never dead.
Good. And I'm waiting if he shows. Brother, you will hear the news. I make no joke. And I would never send you a voice note like this for no reason.
So hold on. So hold on. On a pick up, right? On a pick up what go on pan water. Go on. Cause I know yesterday me did born, you know. I know yesterday me did born. The man bring I-Cure all the way to Europe. Where I-Cure no have a bridging next door or a car or meal. I care depend upon the money. You owe me 5,000 euro. And me I show you, Pharisees and scribe, if you don't give me my money, me I rob you out to zero. Not. And you can go on like say, I say meow, meow, meow. When I bark, me hungry, me broke, me dey away from my place, and you talk stuff, and me I tell you say, brother, me I dey out I square. You all gone tea about a spliff and a beat a dragon cause me burn the beer. And if you forward out there, me out there with some killers around me. Beer killers, beer lion. And right now we hungry. And y'all are run off your mouth. And then it's obvious. You sure. Listen to me. Them not take Rasta for fall number. They not take Rasta for fall number. You can't ramp with the yard man money. You lucky I cure never done it. Me not make no joke and I go on like it funny, but listen to me. Me I go continue upon the like a vibes note. And I show you say them vibes note yeah. Make me listen. And when me listen to vibes note people, me I say wait. So you show me say I cure did warn him. Can't say me never did that one, yeah. Huh. Now me tell you, you're gonna tea.
To make a comedy show, bro.
Hold on. More want to hear that part.
For no reason. I'm not here to make a comedy show, bro.
You hear what the man say? I am not playing, boy. Me not play with me, not ramp with you right now a serious time. You don't know my situation. You work me. So what you try to do? You a slave master?
A movie, but I'm here to start a real fucking live show.
How were they blouse and skirt?
I'm not here to make a comedy show, bro. Or a movie, but I'm here to start a real fucking live show.
Jamaicans
believe me. This nigga let me work this stage and don't pay me, bro.
Wait, hold on. And that me I realize in the life of the people, them take Rasta for fool it up. I never hear long time when Kalanja see some big long thing run out upon them. Uno fi stop style Rasta. Uno fi stop rampant Rastafari. Cause when we take it to uno, hey, things are fly. Not even duppy but a ground over fly. You know I idiot? Hey, me not say nothing what people don't know. So you can bring my name to FBI because Rastafari no walk on the ground will stay high. But me I try show and say, I man is the defender of the faith. This is the approach. I'm speaking the truth. And me I defend the youth from your outer yard and you work for your money. You forget your money. Yeah, me not telling you say, what I cure did was right. But I understand. I understand when me left my yard 4,855 miles away. I me do me work. I me know I cure kill the girl them. Me know I cure make the girl them sing out. Me know I cure make 2 man get 2 girl. And promoter a laugh. After me travel, you should not give me extra pay. Danger pay for the covert 19 where I run the entire
real fucking live show. Bro, believe me. This nigga let me work this stage and don't pay me, bro. And he's talking tough.
Yeah.
I'm waiting on him.
Jamaica can rap with that.
If he shows, you will know.
Yo, you hear what the man say? If him show up, uno will know. Unfortunately, I cure end up on here.
Let me tell you a story.
6 years.
I'm in the middle of Amsterdam Square with some killers.
With the killers, him not did it by himself, boy, not take warning. Listen, people. Listen. We not preach no badmanism nor no evil. But one thing me I tell you, when a Jamaican say, imi kwenyo. Rather than ramp to tell you straight up. Y'all gonna tea, cause a free youth. Yeah, they approach TV. Real youth TV. And me I hear enough of the people them a rate tape on I cure. I'm sorry, I cure get all 6 years. I'm sorry, say the youth get hurt. But there's principalities to the facts, people. Don't ramp the yard man money. And take it for funny. Cause some boy want go on like him alone want freeness. Me for free and dumb. Me for leave my yard way over good sunny island Jamaica. You organ tea where the sun comes up every morning. You organ tea. Where me have an island where I smile for me. Where I produce the good ackee and saltfish and coconut water and mango and red and the sun fruits and them things. I know some man don't like them words there. But people after me make my move 4,855 miles away figure work, and my money boy I play with, don't ramp with the thing, you will get stamp and clamp with the thing, you lucky you want look a joke you get. You are going to, me know enough people are going to say this, and I'm going to say, oh, the Rasta man push badness and violence. And I better know, it's a modern world, a man mad for earn. You know, see, IQ having big car, them and them big house, them, and them having girls, them have to live him lifestyle. And from man, show you say, I'm a war, my money, don't grin teeth, and take it for funny. You are gonna take. Ladies and gentlemen, Rastas and Rasta princesses, empresses around the world. Remember, Rastafari soldier, I tell the truth to little boys and girls. Honesty, loyalty, and sometimes you have to fight for your thing. IQ, they are jail right now, and money are gonna stack up. You are going to take 6 years, him come out before him 50. Sorry, say him do it twice when I put on bad man is him. But when him come out, I better know, say, don't rampant IQ. Don't play with Rasta man. And most of all, don't walk Jamaicans and don't pay them. You are going to take. And when man say man a quenga, you take it serious. After me send your device, no. You are going like say. A joke me a make, a ramp me a ramp. The man a show you say me not play. And I don't comedy thing. A real action movie. Man a star. Man a star, man a star. Don't ramp with Ras Star. The rampid Ras Star. Cause at the end of the day you are gonna feel it. Cause we have struggled a long time, you know. We can sit down and hold our meds in our corner. We don't want to go to jail. Especially when we can't get bail. We don't big up no violence. But I man, I tell you the truth. I tell you to the truth. Panday Protes. It's Rastafari Soldier. Make sure you hit that red subscribe button and share the file to anyone where you know. We don't want to hear it from a Rasta perspective. A style not try style Jah Cure. Just because him did a one thing. Yo, look here. When a man do a crime and forward out upon him and do him time, me allow that and wipe that off. When you should have known say man a bad man from long time. You organ tea. Now show you say man a sing girl tune and love tune and show man ras up. You want come take advantage of the situation? Man a Jamaican, man a Haitian, you can't push me around. No matter if you're Amsterdam, we kick off the door and come contact with things. Don't play with me. And I man not care where boy want to say. But Rasta push badness. No. Rasta defending thing. If you work, you forget your pay. So you get juking on your side, Rasta say a bad. Anyway, uno say Rasta, uno either support of the thing. I love Rasta, Rasta got you. Now stand up in our way like a now stumbling block here. Cause we lick you off of the wall like one uncle. Picky head bud. Don't play with the thing. Cause the 2022 going through. You are gonna tear Rasta and no idiot bow. Come hear the voice note and evaluate. The man said, me dead down here so the Amsterdam Square with some real bad man. Then if you show up them in a thing say you bad on me. Or you want to take it to me. Eh? So why you show up? You show up think a joke? The man show you say I don't know comedy show. The man send it to our next person sound like. So that means that the person that should have make you know. Say yo, this your man you are serious. Them man you are prisoner. You think I sound joking? You think I sound talking thing? You think I sound laughing thing? And not even barking now, walking thing. A real alligator and crocodile man are dealing. Ladies and the people them overstand me doing the people. before we even cut on the live, I'm wanting to share it up, say. And if you make sure you smash the red subscribe button, get the channel forward up because, yeah, we have another channel and it seems like them never like the Rastaman panel. Because I post up some other things seem like a copyright and them, like them spite the Rastaman. But right now, me I talk about I Cure. Y'all can see? The youth will get juking inside, move up and get better. I Cure just hold it firm. Cause you look like some boy like you're the golden ghost. Or whatever. Cause you're blessed. You bust and go jail and your status rise. And you go jail. And your status will rise again. Cause if your status rise off some joke, some girl thing, and now you some joke, some man thing. Yo, a bad man thing you had man a deal with. You are going to think it might sound like a madman thing, people. But guess what? That's the culture. You can't ramp in my phone. After me leave me yard, go look at phone, you go like a road, and me show you to just run me money. And you go like say, yo, my brightness, you want done it. And me send all them voice notes and I make you know, say, don't play with me. Do not ramp with the real Mama Gideons them from Jamaica. We want we money when we do we work, or you we hurt. You are going to you're lucky you not lay down in the dirt. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Rastafari soldier. Me I go cut it right there, sir. And me I go depend upon if you share up the file. And me I go open and leave some comment. And I man want to take a moment for the live here, you see it? And me have the product here where I make me pretty all over the world. You are going to take. And I'm Empress Royal Stacy. You know a product. You are going to, I'm want to know if you check it out. You are going to, if you can't see it, some lavender and some, eucalyptus oil make a one. You are going to, Body by Chi, look it up on the IG. You are going to, you know I'm Rastafari soldier, not no soldier. Real Jenna. I'm ever put on me soldier suit for make you know, say, yo, man, Rasta, man, Jah Cure. So you are going to from in my touch and some weird thing. Rasta, we are stand with the Rasta. You are going to and the Empress right here is a Empress. It's a Rasta Empress. I want to check her out on the Facebook. You are going to Facebook. Just look up Body by Chi. You are going to Body by Chi. Instagram Body by Chi. You have to put body _ Chi. If you can't spell Chi, let me spell it for him and she. H-I-E. You are going to take. This year, I want beautiful aromatic smell. She have body lotion, wash, lotion, shampoo, all kind of things. Just check out the Body by Chi. You are going to take as a Rasta product we are dealing. More life and more joy and more happiness that she take care of me. Big up my Empress, Stacy. But like me I tell you, say, Rasta we are different and I don't care what no say. You are going to take your car, bring me 4,855 miles like you're a slave master and expect to pay me. You take me for fool. You should get 3 more stamp for brother. And more life, more joy, and more happiness. Y'all want big up on my Empresses all over the place, you know, and my generals you are going to take. Deep side 19th Street, stash, splash, promotion, and more life, and more joy. Look here, people, if you're in the ghetto, in a Jamaica Hill area, I want to check out everything what me I say. I say, Body by Chi, check out the stash, splash, promotion in the ghetto. If you want all of your cleaning supplies, them, and even some shampoo and some lotion, and more life and more joy. It's Rastafari soldier giving you a lyrical promotion. More life. Best up on yourself, people. Share this for me. Subscribe, like, and share if you have not. Rasta around the world. And we are defend that. Tell every little boys and girl. More life. Yeah. More joy. More happiness. Yo, big up yourself here, I Cure. Them still out play your tune. You think them gone off the chart. You start to rise again. Because Jamaican and Jamaican. I make them know anywhere we go in the world. We defend with money and with boys and with girls. More life, more joy, and of course, you know say, and more happiness. That's the real warrior. Now run for nothing.